How to record Roblox with OBS. So first, go to your computer and then just open up your OBS. As you can see, mine is open up and then it's recording since I'm doing a tutorial. So next is you can just add a scene first since that's important. So click on the plus icon here under scenes and then just type in your scene name and then click OK. Okay. Now, once you've added your scene, you'll see something like this. Next is you just need to add your source. So you just need to click on this plus icon here and then click on display capture and then type in your display capture name and then click OK. Now you'll see something like this. Now, if you want to display your monitor, you just need to select your display here, select your monitor and then click OK. Now you'll see something like this. Okay, make sure your desktop audio and mic are on. So if it's off, you'll see something like this. So you just need to turn it on. Okay, now once you've you can see the display capture here. Now OBS is ready to record your desktop or your monitor. You just need to click on start recording and then just go to your game, something like this. Okay, now if you want to stop recording, just go back to OBS and then just click on stop recording. Okay, and that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for videos like this. See you in the next one.